Hello learner, welcome to Manifested Online Classes. My name is James Kenyani. We are going to continue with our topic on loci, and in the previous lesson I'd given you some assignment to attempt which we shall work out, but I'll just do a recap by defining what a locus is. So you saw that a locus so the definition of a locus. So a locus is a path, area, or volume traced out by a point, a line, or a region as it moves according to some given law or laws. We can have one law or two or three, depending on the conditions. So after knowing that, because the questions we are giving, they are continuing to go along line in line with the definition. So the first question, question number 3 in the assignment, was the axial, isn't it? Because in the assignment you are supposed to sketch and define the locus. So we have the axial, you should get the locus of the axial of a bicycle as the bicycle moves along a level road. A level road. That word level road will be very important when we answer the question. So for question 3, we go to the sketch. So that is the diagram for the question number 3. So number 1, we should understand what an axial is. An axial holds the wheel and it is at the center. It is where the wheel goes round. So in the bicycle, it is always fixed. It doesn't rotate as the wheel rotates. So in the sketch, you can see initial position. I just drew the initial position of the wheel, the initial position of the wheel. And this is the final position of the wheel of the bicycle. Given that the road is level, given that that road is level and that axle is fixed, as the bicycle moves, the axle will maintain the same height above the level road. And its trajectory will be just a straight line parallel to the level road. That's why one of the laws or condition was a level road. So this distance between that line, so this is the line traced out. That will be the line traced by the axle. Since the road is level, since that road is level, the locus so the locus of the axle is a straight line parallel to the level road. We've got what we wanted. So be very careful about the conditions or the laws given. We needed to understand that an axle is fixed at the center of that wheel. So as the wheel rotates, the axle fixed, but its trajectory is parallel to that ground, isn't it? That's why we are told a level ground. It is not bumpy. It is a level ground. So the locus of the axle is a straight line parallel to the level road. Without wasting time, Let's go to the second question. Question 4, where you draw the sketch, define the locus. So question 4, we have the bob of a swinging pendulum. Swinging, Yeah, most of you know what swinging is. So the bob of a swinging pendulum. So we go to the sketch. So the whole of it is a swinging pendulum. The whole of the diagram you see is a swinging pendulum. But what is the question talking about? A bob. You see, that is the bob. It has not talked about either this line or something. It is talking about that bob. That bob is acting like a point. A point. So it swings from one end to the other. So this is the path of swing. That is the path of swing. So if you look at the question, the laws were there. One of it was a bob. It was the bob. So you are to note that that bob acts like a point. And when you have a swing, it goes and comes back. Those are some of the laws. It can never remain there. It will go and come back. So the path from there, the path trace, the locus of the bob is an arc. That's all. The locus of the bob is an arc. So we are continuing to define that as we do many questions. You see, in the first one, the axle, just to verify again, acted like a what? A point. So at that point, I think it will be advisable to give you more questions on the same as we continue to build up the concepts, this concept on the loci or locus. So before I end, I'll have to give you 2 more questions in the name of question 5 and 6, which you'll work out before the next lesson. So I'll have to write the 2 questions on the board. So those are the 2 questions. The first question, you sketch and draw the locus of the tip of one arm of a seesaw as it swings. The second question, you sketch, draw, and define the locus of the arm of a seesaw as it swings. So note here we have tip and here we have arm. Having come to that point, I hope you'll have a good time in working out the questions before we meet in the next lesson. So have a nice time and bye.